Today, I wish to consider one sum from a chapter of Accounting for Debentures. The sum is from exercise. Observe the sum on the screen. I read the sum for you. On 1st of January 2001, Campbell Limited issued 4,009% debentures of ₹100 is at par. So 4,000 into 100 is debentures issued 4 lakhs. The debentures are issued at par. The debentures were redeemed by lottery method in 4 equal annual installments at 10% premium. So 4 lakhs is the debenture liability. That liability is to be redeemed in 4 equal annual installments. So every year 1 lakh rupees is to be redeemed, and that too 1 lakh is to be redeemed at a 10% redemption premium. So debentures of 4 lakhs are issued on a condition to redeem at 10% premium. So every year 1 lakh rupees is to be redeemed, that too redemption is to be done at 10% premium. So 1,10,000 will be paid every year. Now the issue date is 1/1/2001. First lot of redemption took place on 31st of December 2001. So first redemption is after 1 year. Second redemption is after 31st of December 2002. So after 2 years, 3 years and 4 years. This is how the redemption is to be done. Now, company finalizes its accounts on 31st of December every year. The debenture redemption fund is not created for redemption of debentures. Prepare in the books of the company debenture account, premium on redemption of debenture account, debenture holders account, and profit or loss or issue of debenture account. These are the various accounts that we are required to prepare. While solving the sum, not only I will prepare ledger accounts, but I will write down journal entries also for better understanding. Now let us start. But before we start, we are required to prepare how many accounts? 1. Debenture account, premium on redemption of debentures account, debenture holders account, and loss on issue of debentures account. So loss on issue of debenture account is to be prepared. So first we are required to find out in which proportion this redemption premium loss gets written off. So let me prepare first of all a working wherein I will decide how the loss on issue of debenture gets written off over a time span of 4 years. So observe on the screen, working note, loss on issue of debentures to be written off. Now in the first year, the debentures of 4 lakhs are issued. In the first year, 4 lakhs funds were available to the company for its purposes. In the second year, the funds available to company is 3 lakhs because 1 lakh rupees are redeemed. In the third year, funds available are 2 lakhs because 1 lakh redemption has taken place. And in the fourth year, the funds available to the company for its use is 1 lakh. Now this is how the redemption is made and the balance is carried forward. Now, if you work out the ratio of funds employed is 1:2, 2:3:4. And in this ratio, loss on issue of debenture gets written off. How much is the loss on issue of debentures? 4,000 debentures of ₹100 is 4 lakhs. Redemption premium is 10%. So 40,000 is the loss on issue of debentures, that is because of debenture redemption premium. So this 40,000 gets written off in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. So let me find out the amount of loss on issue of debenture gets written off over a period of 4 years. So 40,000 into 4/10, 60,000 written off in the first year, 40,000 into 3/10, 12,000 written off in the second year, 40,000 into 2/10, 8,000 written off in the third year, 40,000 into 1/10, 4,000 written off in the last year. This is how loss on issue of debenture gets written off over a period of time. After preparing this working note, let me start with preparation of ledger accounts and also I am going to write down the journal entries for all the 4 years. Just observe. How many accounts I am supposed to prepare? Campaign is known as Khambhat, so here I have written Khambhat Limited. Now these are the ledger accounts, 9% debentures, debenture redemption premium, loss or issue of debentures, debenture holders account. Now first entry is the issue entry. Bank account debit 4,000 into 100, 4 lakhs. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 40,000. To debenture liability 9% debentures account credit 4 lakhs. To debenture redemption premium account credit 40,000. This is how issue entry gets recorded. Bank account debit. I have not prepared bank account, so I won't write on the debit side of bank account. Loss on issue of debentures account debit, here 40,000 will be debited. Loss on issue of debentures account debit 40,000 gets debited over here. Debenture liability 4 lakhs will be credited here. Debenture redemption premium 40,000 will be credited here. This is how the ledger posting is to be made. Let me start first of all with debenture account. Write on the credit side of debenture account 4 lakhs by bank account. Write on the credit side of debenture redemption premium account 40,000. Loss on issue of debentures account will appear in the narration, 40,000 liability. And loss on issue of debentures account gets debited with 40,000. The narration, debenture redemption premium account. This is how these two accounts being liability credited, this loss is debited. This is how the initial ledger posting is made at the time of issue of debentures. Now what is the amount to be redeemed every year? 1 lakh. 1 lakh is to be redeemed at 10% premium, so 1,10,000 is a redeemable amount to be paid to debenture holders. So first entry, debentures account debit 1 lakh. So out of this 4 lakh equal installment, how much amount is written off? 1/4 amount, 1 lakh is written, is to be redeemed. So debenture account debits 1 lakh. Debenture redemption premium account debit 10,000. 40,000 into 1/4, 10,000. Debenture redemption premium account debit 1,000, 10,000. To debenture holders account debit 1,10,000. Now debenture holders will be paid 1,10,000. What's the entry for that? Debenture holders account debit 1,10,000 to bank account debit 1,10,000. At the same time, I am required to write off the loss on issue of debentures. This out of 40,000. What is the amount to be written off in the first year? That we have already worked out. Observe that note. First year, the amount to be written off is 16,000. The amount to be written off is debited to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit to loss on issue of debentures account credit. This is how the journal entries are recorded at the end of first year for redemption of debentures. Over and above, at the end of the first year, you are required to write the interest entry. So you are required to pay interest on 4 lakhs at the rate of 9%, but we are not questioned here the debenture interest entry, so it is being avoided. Otherwise, the debenture interest entry is to be recorded at the end of the year. Debenture interest account debit to bank account, profit and loss account debit to debenture interest account. That type of debenture entry could also be asked in this type of sum. Now let me go for the ledger posting. Write on the debit side of debenture account being 1 lakh redeemed. The amount is payable to debenture holders, so write on the credit side of debenture holders account 1 lakh. Write on the debit side of debenture redemption premium account out of 40,000, 10 lakh is to be redeemed. Credit that amount to debenture holders account being payable total 1,10,000. Write on the debit side of debenture holders account debit 1,10,000 being the amount of debenture redeemed with premium, debenture holders to bank. And this profit and loss account, loss on issue of debentures account credit. Here on the credit side, you are required to write credit 16,000 by profit and loss account. This is how ledger posting is being done. After this ledger posting, let me strike the balance at the end of the year because first year is over. So out of 4 lakh, 1 lakh is redeemed. Now my liability is 3 lakh, that is carried forward to the next year. Out of 40,000, 10,000 debenture redemption premium liability is being paid. So liability yet to be paid in next 3 years is 30,000. And out of 40,000, 16,000 loss being written off. So loss to be carried forward for writing it off in next 3 years is 24,000. This is how entries at the end of first year gets recorded. Now let me go to the second year. Here the account is closed because both the side agrees, both the side total agrees. Now let me go to the next year, second year. In the second year also 1 lakh rupees are redeemed. So what is the entry for that? 1 lakh redeemed. Debentures account debit 1 lakh. Redemption premium liability 10,000 paid. So debenture account debit 1 lakh. Debenture redemption premium liability account debit 10,000. So debenture holders account debit 1 lakh 10,000. Now you have to pay the amount to the debenture holders. Debenture holders account debit to bank account credit 1 lakh 10,000. How much is the loss on issue of debenture gets written off? Look at the working note. In the second year, amount to be written off is 12,000. So what's the entry for that? Profit and loss account debit 12,000. 2. Loss on issue of debentures account credit 12,000. This is how journal entries gets recorded. After writing this journal entries, let me go for ledger posting. Out of 3 lakhs, 1 lakh redeemed, so debited. Out of 30,000, 10,000 redeemed, so debited. So debenture redemption premium liability account is debited with 10,000. This loss out of this 24,000 loss, 12,000 is written off, so it is credited. So let me go for the ledger posting. And the dear debenture holders account will be credited with 1 lakh 10,000 and will be debited with 1 lakh 10,000. So write on the debit side of debenture account 1 lakh. Write on the credit side of debenture holders account credit 1 lakh. Write on the debit side of debenture redemption premium liability account debit 10,000 and credit the same amount to debenture holders account. Now debenture holders are paid. So debenture holders account debit to bank account. Now this loss return of profit and loss account debit to loss on issue of debentures account credit. Ledger posting is done. Now let me strike the balance. Out of 3 lakh, 1 lakh redeemed. So balance carried forward has how much? 2 lakhs. Out of 30,000, 10,000 liability is paid. So liability yet to be paid in next 2 years is 20,000. That is opening balance. Balance carried forward. Now 24,000 minus 12,000. Loss yet to be written off in next 2 years is 12,000. That becomes balance carried forward for the next year. And debenture holders account gets tallied because total on both the sides is same. 110,000, 110,000. This is how ledger posting and striking of the balance at the end of second year is being done. Now let me proceed to third year. In the third year also 1 lakh rupees are redeemed. So debenture account debit 1 lakh. Debenture redemption premium account debit 10,000 to debenture holders account credit 1 lakh 10,000. It is just a repetition. Next, debenture holders account debit 1 lakh 10,000 to bank account credit 1 lakh 10,000. But what is the loss on issue of debenture gets written off over the third year? Look at the note that we have prepared. 8,000 is to be written off in the third year. So profit and loss account debit 8,000 to loss on issue of debentures account credit 8,000. This is how loss on issue of debenture gets written off in the third year. So journal entries are done. Let me go for ledger posting. Debenture account gets debited being liability of 1 lakh redeemed. Debenture account debit to debenture holders account credit 1 lakh. Redemption premium liability 10,000 paid. So debenture redemption premium liability account debit to debenture holders account credit. Debenture holders account debit to bank account. And the loss on issue of debentures return of 8,000, that is also credited to loss account. Now after ledger posting of this journal entry, let me strike the balance. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh redeemed, balance carried forward 1 lakh, that becomes the opening balance for the last year. Out of 20,000, 10,000 debenture redemption premium paid, so balance yet to be carried forward and to be paid in the next year 10,000. Out of 12,000, 8,000 is transferred to profit and loss account. The balance carried forward is 4,000. That becomes opening balance for the next year. Now, debenture holders account gets closed because total on both the sides is 1,10,000, 1,10,000. This is how journal entry and ledger posting for the third year is being done. Now last year, it's repetition once again. First redemption entry, debentures account debit to debenture account debit 1 lakh, debenture redemption premium account debit 10,000 to debenture holders account credit 1,10,000, debenture holders to bank 1,10,000. The loss on issue of debentures to be written off in the last year is 4,000. So profit and loss account debit 4,000 to loss on issue of debentures account credit 4,000. This is how entries for the last year being recorded. Now let me go for the ledger posting. Debenture account is debited with 1 lakh. Debenture holders account is credited with 1 lakh. So this 1 lakh liability is redeemed. So no balance is left. Out of redemption premium 10,000 liability, that is also paid and transferred to debenture holders account. So debenture redemption premium liability account debit to debenture holders account credit. So debenture holders are paid 1,10,000. Debenture holders account debit 1,10,000 to bank account. Now 4,000 loss return up to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debit 2. Loss on issue of debentures account credit 4,000. Now let me close the account. Debenture liability is redeemed. So debenture liability account gets closed. Redemption premium liability is paid out. So that account also gets closed. Loss on issue of debentures total return of that account also gets closed. And debenture holders account total on both the sides is same. That also gets closed. This is how various ledger accounts could be prepared. I am questioning only ledger accounts in the sum. But for your better understanding, I have also recorded the journal entry and shown and mentioned the ledger posting for your better understanding. I feel that you have followed all these things. Thanks to all of you.